Okay guys, well I'm trying out a new camera my mom got for Christmas. It's a, I do believe it's a Panasonic something or other, but anyways, I haven't been out in Gravely Land in a while. Since I have a camera that I think will actually work, I'm gonna give her the old college try and see if I can't get the video off of it. If I can get my door open. I mean, look, you guys can even see in here without any lights on. I mean, wow. Hopefully this works. I can only get like 22 minutes of video though, so. Alright. Oh yeah, this looks really good. The only thing it doesn't like the sunlight coming in from outside. I noticed this makes the colors look brighter, but looks pretty good. Alright, maybe while I'm at this, I'll show you what's up with this grinder here in a second. Okay guys, so anyways, here's the brush out of that. Don't know if you guys can tell, but the brushes are pretty worn, and also the spring is somewhat melted. Want to focus? Yeah, there. That's pretty cool. And the brush just comes out of this slot. It goes in this way. It's just held in with little clips. That's just out of this cheap Black & Decker, I believe it's a 4.5 inch, I think. Oh, yeah. Yep, 4.5 inch discs. So hopefully this camera is recording. I think it is. I think it's recording. So, but at any rate, 129 was ready for snow, but we didn't get any. 818. Everything else out here. I forgot to mention, I don't know if I did in this recording or not, but the snow is melting. It's melting! So anyways, hopefully this recorded. I don't know if I have to like hold the button down to get it to save it or what. So anyways, if I get this camera figured out, thanks for watching. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to do another video with my camera. And I'll see you later.